Hello, I'm Mark Brininger. This is Brew's Engines LLC. Today we're going to give you a quick overview of a 501 big block Ford crate engine that we built. We're going to bring it over to Vecchio's restoration and customizing today for David Upton's '69 Ford Ranger. We're going to show you the engine, check it out. Any questions, comment below or give us a call, 763-458-7296 for any engine rebuilding needs. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. So here we have a real life shop tour of this 501. Here's this engine that we just built. .548 horsepower, 601 torque, with a cam that's only 230, 236 at 50, 14 inches of vacuum at idle. Power brakes will definitely work. I'll show you what we're going to send the engine with. We use all Joe Gibbs driven hot rod oil, break-in oil on the first break-in. The engine comes with an air cleaner, flex plate, the engine plate, nice PowerMaster starter, MSD 6AL, header gaskets, header bolts, miscellaneous carb parts. Thanks for watching. This is Brew's Engines LLC, 763-458-7296.